See what this person said about this issue. What do you think? What do you think? Just listen to what he said about this issue and tell me what you think in the comment section.
Happy, miserable Children's Day in our country. Miserable Children's Day. When our children are in the forest. All our president can think about is how he's going to win election. Nigerians then swear for you. Then swear for you. Definitely then swear for you. Because how can 1,000 people hold 250 million to ransom? This one a cost. Major cost. Children's Day. Miserable. Toddlers, they are in the den. Instead, they are sending me letter from National Assembly that Isaac, you have a case to answer. Stupid National Assembly. I'm Isaac Owolabi or Mofayoshe. I can never run for you. After I bury my wife, I'm coming to meet you, National Assembly. I've gotten your invitation. I will come and meet you. May God punish all of you there. All of you now. May God punish you. All die. Now die. I've sacrificed my soul, my life, to fight for Nigerians. Whatever you are going to do to me, do it. I'm not scared of you. Look at the Mumu in Ekiti State, Oyebanji Ole. Useless governor. They kidnapped people from his state. He's busy dancing at Sonto yesterday in Ikere Ekiti. What a wicked world. What a wicked government. All they care about is second term, second term. Nigerians, get yourself ready. Get yourself ready. Even the militaries and the military personnel, they are suffering. They are suffering. Even police are suffering. Get yourself ready. If saying that juju they do, their juju go clear. These people don't have our interest at heart. All they want is our commonwealth. All they want is our money. Do you see the lifestyle the president's children are living? Do you see the lifestyle of all these former governors' children are living? Do you see the lifestyle of ministers in our country? It is time to take our country back. They said International Children's Day is International Miserable Day. God punish you, NUT, Nigeria Union of Teachers. God punish you, NLC. Ikani